Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to our class on normal distribution. So, in last two classes, we discussed binomial distribution and Poisson distribution. Those are the part of a theoretical distribution of data. When we talk about binomial distribution or Poisson distribution, they are basically based on discrete distribution pattern, while normal distribution is based on continuous distribution pattern. Remarkable work was done by D. Moore, then by scientists like Gauss and Laplace, and they did a lot of understanding about how normal distribution can be discussed. So probably, if you remember, I started discussing about statistics with a bell-shaped curve, which we called as normal distribution curve. I hope you still remember. So when we talk about statistics, I told you that everything around us follow this normal distribution curve, and which we call as this bell-shaped curve. So this is called mesocurtic distributed distribution. This is mesocurtic distribution. So the distribution what we see, the shape of this curve what we see, it can be leptocurtic or it can be platycurtic. So it can be leptocurtic or platycurtic. This would be platycurtic. The shape would be, this would be platycurtic, or the shape can be leptocurtic like this. So this shape can have a problem with the peakness of the curve, which we measure by when we study curtices. So do you remember we talked about skewness and curtices? I hope you remember. So the curve what we have, so to look into the symmetry of the curve, whenever there's an asymmetry, we study skewness, and to talk about the peakedness of the curve, we study called curtices. So those things are there. So when we look into this normal distribution curve, this normal distribution curve follow this equation of probability distribution. Okay, where if you understand this, where this is your standard deviation, this is your standard deviation. I hope you are understanding. This is your mean. This is your mean. Okay, this is your standard deviation. Okay, so by plotting, by putting these values of standard deviation and mean into this curve, ultimately I'll get a normal distribution curve. So in exam, you will get a question. You'll get question on plotting a normal distribution curve. So there we'll do this work. Like if you see this question number 34, obtain the function of the normal distribution curve to the following data. So we'll do this work only. We'll find the mean and standard deviation. We know how to find the mean and standard deviation when we have frequency and class mark value. The summation of fx by summation of f will give you the mean, and then under root of summation of fx square by summation of f minus summation of fx by summation of f whole square, that will give you the standard deviation. So you put those values, under this equation, and this will give you normal distribution curve equation. Clear, everyone? So when we look into a typical normal distribution curve, we believe that the maximum data will aggregate at the center. We believe that the maximum data aggregate at the center, and the property where the maximum data aggregate at the center, that property we measure under measure of central tendency. So you remember under measure central tendency, we study mean, then we study median, then we study mode. We study mean, we study median, we study mode. Where the relation between mean, median, and mode is equal to 3 median minus 3 mean. And then under mean, we studied arithmetic mean, geometric mean, and harmonic mean. Under mean, we studied three things. We studied arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean. We studied three things: arithmetic mean, we studied geometric mean, we studied harmonic mean. Where you should know the square of geometric mean is arithmetic mean into harmonic mean. Where your arithmetic mean is greater than or equal to geometric mean is greater than or equal to harmonic mean. I hope you remember. So the tendency of the data, where if we allow the data to aggregate, okay, so you studied chemistry, no? Homogeneous mixture, heterogeneous mixture. So they solute, they solvent, I mix the solute into the solvent, and then if we do not touch the mixture for a couple of times, there would be a scenario where aggregate of the solute will come together and they will accumulate maybe at the bottom of the mixture, something like that. So, or they will keep dispersed. They are keep dispersed, they will not settle down. In the case of homogeneous mixture, so something like that, where probably when we see the tendency of the data, where if you have lot of data with us, if we allow the data to arrange themselves, the maximum data will aggregate at the center, and which we call as a measure of central tendency. Okay, but not all the data will aggregate at the center. So this the another name to study measure of central tendency is called as average. The other way to understand measure of central tendency when we talk about average or x bar or mu, whatever you say. So x bar is basically sample mean. This is x bar. This basically means sample mean. Basically means population mean. What is the difference between sample and population? I did in the first class. Okay, so not all the data will aggregate at the center. Few data will be dispersed from the center. Okay, so it's like so the general hypothesis is that the general hypothesis is that around 68.27% of the data will lies in the plus minus of one standard deviation. You can understand it. Around 68.27% of data will lies in the plus minus of one standard deviation, where 95.45% of data, where 95, where 95.45% of data will lies in the plus minus of two standard deviation sigma. Sigma means standard deviation. The next thing is that if you see this curve, this will go, this will never touch the x-axis. If you see this curve, it will go like this. So this curve, if you see this curve, it goes like this. So generally we believe that although this never touches the x-axis, but generally we believe that around 99.73% of data will lies in the plus minus of three standard deviation. Here everyone. Here everyone. Where when we say this frequency distribution curve also, so here you have to understand the value of the x, it lies between minus infinity to plus infinity. So you can understand this in this equation. You need to understand the value of the x is basically it lies between minus infinity to plus infinity. Clear everyone? Now we'll do one problem to make you understand this. So write down this problem. In the function, obtain the function of the normal probability curve obtain the function for the normal probability curve that may be fitted that may be fitted to the following data. Okay, guys, write down this question. 5, 2, 6, 5, 7, 8, 8, 12, then 9, 7, then 10, 4, then 11. Write down this question. So this is the question. Obtain the frequent function of the normal probability curve that may be fitted into the following data. I can find the total sum of f. Total sum of f. Total sum of f. How will I find? This is 7, 15, 15, 27, 27 plus 14, 27 plus 14, 41, 41, right? 1, 4 carry, 4, 5, 51. Total sum of f is 51. Okay. 7, 14, 21, 29, 30, 30, 42, 41. Then I can find f into x. This is 10, this is 30, then this is 56, then this is 96, then this is 63, then this is 40, this is 33. So the sum of fx I can find 6 plus 6, 12, 15, 18, 1 carry, 2 plus 3, 5, 10, 19, 25, 29, 32, 328. I can find the mean, guys. So the mean here would be sum of fx by sum of f. So the mean here would be 228 by 41. We will get 8. Mean would be 8. This is x square 25, 36, 49, 64, 81, 100, 121. Okay, then fx square 25 to the 50, then 36 5 the 180, then 49 8 the 49 8 the 72, 8 4 are 32 plus 7, 32 plus 7, 39, 392. Then 64 into 12, 12 into 64, 48, 72, 768. Then 81 sevens are 567. Then 100 fours are 400. Then 121 threes are 363. Sum of fx square I can find their value. This is 10, 17, 20. 20, 2 carry, 15, 17, 26, 26, 38, 44, 4 carry, 4, 5, 8, 15, 20, 24, 27. Check this is correct or not. 2740. Check this if it's correct or not. Guys, please tell me everything correct, right? So once you get this sum of fx value, 2740, I can find it variance, right? I can find it variance very easily, right? So the variance formula, variance of standard deviation formula is under root of summation of fx squared by summation of f minus summation of fx by summation of f ka whole square. This is standard deviation. So the summation of fx square is 2740 minus summation of f is 41 minus summation of fx by summation of f, that is 8 whole square. This will give us the standard deviation. This will give us the standard deviation. Two seven four zero by 41. 2740 by 41. 66.829. 66.82927 minus 64. So this would be 2.82927. The standard deviation would be square root of this value minus 64, 1.682. So the standard deviation is 1.682, where your variance was 2.829. Ask me if anyone. Clear everyone? Anyone have any doubt? Done everyone? Anyone have any doubt? Now once you get this, now with this you can say the value what you get on this. You can say your mean here is 8, your standard deviation, your mean here is 8, your standard deviation is 1.682, your standard deviation is 1.682, your variance is 2.829, your variance is 2.829. So you can write your equation, your fx is equal to 1 by sigma 1.682 under root pi under 2 root pi, here e to the power minus 1 by 2 x minus mu. Mu is standard, mu is mean, x minus mean. I can write this as divide by 2 into sigma square. Sigma square is 2.829. This is with minus sign. You getting this everyone? So you can write this as fx is equal to 1 by 682 2 pi e to the power minus x minus 8 whole square divided by 2.289 into 2 this square 5.6585 5.6585. This is your answer. So textbook and all, you will find this answer only. Five, five, function. How to write pi function? Google it. Pi function in Excel. Pi function in Excel. Okay, pi open bracket, close bracket. If I find square root of 2 pi. First, let's do 2 pi. Okay, then square root of 2 pi. Okay, so into standard deviation, into square root of 2 pi. 4.216256. 4 point. So if you want, you can write it further. 4.21656. Then e to the power minus x minus 8 e to the power minus x minus 8 whole square by 5.6585. Here your x value is from minus infinity to plus infinity. This is your final answer. I just solved this. Pi value, you know, right? Pi is an irrational number. So basically, the value you get when you divide the circumference of circle with the diameter of the circle. Clear, everyone? Anyone have any doubt? Clear everyone? Anyone have any doubt? Do this question. Do this question, guys. Question number 34. Everyone, do this problem. Question number 34. See this problem, 2018 problem. So from the normal distribution curve. So this is your x 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Your x is 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. These are the value of x, the value of f, frequency 14641. 14641. This is the value of frequency. I can multiply f into x. I'll get 2, 16, 36, 32, and 10. The sum of fx is 8, 8 plus 6, 14, 16, 1 carry, 2, 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 3, 8, 9, 96 sum of fx, sum of f 10, 14, 15, 16, sum of f is 16. Okay, then what I can do, I can find x square. I can find x square. I can find x square 4, 16, 36, 64, 100. Then I can find fx square. So 4 into x, 4 into 1, that is 0, 4. 16 4s are 64. Then 36 6s are 144. 36 6s are 6 6, no, 36 6s is not 144. 36 6s will be 216. 6 6s are 36, 3 carry, 18 plus 2, 216. 64 4s are will be 256, right? That would be 256. 4 4s are 16, 1 carry. This will be 400. Find sum of fx square. This would be 8. This is 10. Then this is 10, 20. So 12 plus 4, 16, 16 plus 4, 20, 22 carry, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 14, 1 carry. 1 carry means 6, 8, 10, 11. 1140. So sum of fx squared is equal to 1140. Sum of fx is 96. Sum of f is 16. Okay, so I can find the mean. Mean is summation of fx by summation of f. Means 96 by 6. That would be 6, no? 16 6 are 96. So mean is 6. Now I can find the standard deviation and variance. So the standard deviation formula is under root of summation of fx square by summation of f minus summation of fx by summation of f ka whole square. Standard deviation summation of fx square, that is 1140, right? 1140 divided by 16 minus 6 whole square. This is 1140 by 16 So 1140 by 16, 71.25, 71.25 minus 36. So that will give you the variance. 35.25, 35.25, and do the square root of that. That will give you the standard deviation. 5.9 something you'll get. 5.9371. 5.937. That is your standard deviation. Clear, everyone? So once you get this, now I can find. Once you get this, now I can find the normal probability curve. So I can find the normal probability curve. So the normal probability curve. So that would be 1 by sigma root 2 pi e to the power minus 1 by 2 x minus mu by sigma ka whole square. So 1 by sigma is 5.9371 under root 2 pi, okay, e to the power minus x minus minus 6 whole square divided by 2 sigma square, 2 sigma square, 2 sigma square, 2 into 35.25, that would be 70.5. This is 6, this is square. Clear? This is your answer. This is your normal distribution curve. Clear, everyone? Here, when you see x, the value of x will lie from minus infinity to plus infinity. So this much will do, guys. Okay, so this question, I think it came in 2018. We discussed this problem. Okay, so we'll continue our discussion tomorrow. Thank you, everyone. I'll see you all tomorrow. Take care. Bye.